Introduction. Welcome to the absolute beginner's guide to Stable Diffusion. If you've heard of Stable Diffusion and want to know how to get started, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into the world of image generation with Stable Diffusion. What is Stable Diffusion? Stable Diffusion is an open-source image generation model released by Stable.AI on August 22, 2022. Unlike other closely guarded models, anyone can customize or build on top of Stable Diffusion. It's free, and you can run it on an ordinary computer. Stable Diffusion is the second most popular image generation tool after Midjourney. It's impactful, with many tools relying on it. We'll compare the growth of Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, and discuss why Stable Diffusion is still significant. What can you do with Stable Diffusion? Generate images from words. Create realistic, semi-realistic, or anime images using text-to-image technology. Generate images from existing images. Transform existing images in various ways, like turning video game characters into Disney princesses. Fix and edit images. Use inpainting to paint over and regenerate images. Extend images. Generate outside the frame to extend images without painting. Create animations. Utilize methods like deform to create trippy animations. Ways to run Stable Diffusion. Online apps. Free and paid websites like Artbot and Stork. Mobile apps. Apps like Draw Things by Lulu. Run on your own computer. Download a user interface like Automatic 1111's Stable Diffusion Web UI. Running in the cloud. Use services like Google Colab or Stork. Important concepts. Checkpoint models. Learn about versions like version 1.5 and version 2.1. VAE. Understand how V affects image color. LoRA. Discover low-rank adaptation files for customization. Prompting. Learn how to communicate effectively with the AI in the next video. Improving your results. Explore hacks to improve generations, like using LoRA and embeddings, and see the Stable Diffusion prompting guide for more. Conclusion. That's part 1 of our Stable Diffusion for Beginners series. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials on this powerful tool for image generation.